Hi everyone, it's time to get up and running with Google Meet on Outlook. Follow these steps to learn how to get started. First, open up Outlook, then click Tell me what you want to do and search for Browse Add-ins. This will open up the Microsoft Web Store. Once you're in the Web Store, search for Hangouts Meet and click the icon. The add-ins could be in a different format or appearance if you're using a different version of Outlook or 365, but the same add-in is required. Once you've found it, click Add. If you're prompted to enter your Microsoft account password, go ahead and do so. Additionally, if you see a screen that says Add an add-in from the Microsoft Office Store, go ahead and click Install. To get started using your Hangouts Meet add-on, simply create a meeting as you normally would, and click Hangouts Meet on the top right of the navigation bar. Choose Add a Meeting. This will initiate the process to sign into your Google account. Please use your full G Suite email address. After entering your credentials, Meet will automatically be generated and added to your appointment. Just like that, you're ready to have a virtual meeting with Google Meet. Have fun!